Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Bell 5 app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. So if you are an Apple user, then you can use your Apple Store. If you are an Android user, you can use your Google Play Store or you can directly search on Google as well. So at here you have to go to the Google search bar and search for the Bell 5 app. Okay, Bell 5 app. So here we can see the Bell 5 app. Okay, my Bell 5 app. So we'll just click on there. Then here you have to click on the install button. When we'll just click on the install, it will automatically or directly download or install the app in your phone. So by this way you can just do it. It's a very easy method. If you scroll down, you can also rate this app from here as well, and you can see the other ratings too. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.